Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi there, my name is Stephanie, and today I'm back with another video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Anyways, so I really love my dreadlocks. Like, they're my life after Tuta, of course. They're like my second born, yeah. And I really look for styles to maybe style my hair, and there are 10 particular styles that I really love, and I'd like to share them with you. So I'm hoping y'all will come along with me and try them out yourself.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck going on my way, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. Just like the street lights lit this town,
Tuta.
like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it out. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it out. purpose to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your code and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life, the love of my life.
So guys, that's it for today's video. If you're unsubscribed, subscribe, comment, share, like, and subscribe. You know all the jazz. And I'm definitely going to be seeing you in another one and another one.